What will replace the handshake? Dr. Anthony Fauci said just last week to the Wall Street Journal that he thinks that we should never, ever do handshakes again. The handshake has been the universal greeting internationally for over a century. So if this does get replaced, it won't be an elbow tap. I mean, we're coughing and sneezing into the crook of our arm, so that won't work. And it won't be a foot tap either. That's too close in proximity and balance issues. And it won't be the Star Trek inspired Vulcan symbol. I think it goes like this. So what will it be? During this pandemic time, the eyes have it. You'll be wearing a mask. You can still smile, but that proverbial gleam in your eye will show through, and that will be an important way to connect with your clients, with your contacts, with your Zoom meetings. Going forward after this pandemic ends, it's my Speak for Yourself prediction that it will be a combination of really good eye contact along with a gesture that's been used or is still being used for half the world in China, in India, and that will be a slightly modified namaste gesture. So good eye contact, putting your hands together, and doing a slight bow, showing respect. So greetings to you. Thanks.